Hi there, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. I love to share with you easy and tasty recipes that you can make at home. And today I'm going to show you how to make 2 flavors of Magic Shell, the crunchy coating that hardens on ice cream. You won't believe how easy it is to make. And we'll make the traditional chocolate as well as a new treat, peanut butter flavor. You can use any other kind of chocolate you like, from dark to milk to white. And you can even add some different flavorings or toppings to make it more fun. Are you ready to have some fun in the kitchen? Well, grab your apron and let's get started. Traditional Magic Shell, you only need 2 ingredients, chocolate chips and coconut oil. For this we need a cup of chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil that's measured while it's solid. It's warm in here, so this is starting to liquefy. Now we just need to head to the microwave, and you're going to microwave it in 20 to 30 second increments until it's nice, melted, and smooth. Once it comes out of the microwave, it's going to be nice and smooth. You're going to let it set for just a couple of minutes, and then you can pour it on your ice cream and watch the magic happen. You can store this in a jar with a lid at room temperature. If it starts to seize up a little bit on you and harden in the jar, you can always heat it up and get it right back to normal. Now we'll make the peanut butter version. For the peanut butter version, we're going to add one more ingredient. We need a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, measured while it's solid, and we're going to do this the same way we did the chocolate, 20 or 30 second increments until it's nice and smooth. When it comes out, we'll whisk in a 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar until it's smooth, and it'll be ready to go. Once it's all melted and smooth, then we're going to add
1/4 cup
of confectioner sugar, and we want to whisk it through until it's smooth again. Get rid of all the lumps. And there you go. Once again, you want to let it sit and cool for a little bit, and then you can put it on your ice cream. Put it on some chocolate ice cream for a Reese's ice cream sundae. Sounds good. And that's how you make your own magic shell at home. Surprise your family with this treat for dessert. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Cat Scratch Kitchen for more yummy recipes. You can also leave me a comment below and let me know what kind of chocolate or flavoring you used and how it turned out. I'd love to hear from you. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, have fun in the kitchen.